A lot of people ask me how I can afford to travel, and instead of giving you a simple, unsatisfying answer, I want to, right now, for the first time ever, reveal exactly how the Best Ever Food Review Show team operates and earns revenue.
It's the goal of the Best Ever Food Review Show to hunt down and document the most unique food from around the world.
Bam! What do you know about insane food show antics?
They're so light.
They're very light.
This means lots of research, tons of travel, producing, filming, and editing. And all that costs money. Hundreds of thousands of dollars per year.
Oh, look at these business numbers. Oh no, look at this pie chart. There's way too much blue.
I'm gonna explain our production workflow from beginning to end. But first, I wanna share how the channel earns revenue.
Our main source of revenue comes from YouTube AdSense.
When people watch our videos, they also watch some ads, and the total ad revenue is split between YouTube and the creator. Videos that are under 10 minutes can only have one ad playing at the beginning of the video, but videos over 10 minutes can have several ads. That's one reason you see most YouTubers trying to post videos longer than 10 minutes.
Depending on one source of revenue is not ideal, because it could fluctuate or go away completely.
YouTube revenue can be very good, but it's also unstable, sometimes varying 30 to 40% from month to month.
June was amazing, but look at, and then it went up, and then there's a gold coin for money, and then, oh no, it's going down. This is so stressful. Good, now that's done. Recently, our video about exotic food in Iran was demonetized spontaneously by YouTube's algorithm just a couple hours after posting.
This means YouTube stopped recommending it to our audience and views plummeted.
Oh man.
We appealed the decision and a day later earned back monetization status.
I'm happy. Yeah, me too.
But the damage was already done and the video didn't recover,
Cool.
vastly underperforming compared to our other videos.
This part is mid of the face.
Cheek.
This area.
Our second source of revenue comes from sponsorships. In this case, we create an agreement by working with the sponsor directly.
That's the case with today's sponsor, Raid Shadow Legends. You've probably already heard about this game because it has been crushing the download numbers since it was initially released.
Raid is one of the top 3 ranked RPGs on the Google Play Store, with almost 15 million downloads in the last 6 months. It's been nominated as a finalist for Google Play's Best of 2019 User Choice Award. This is a hero collection game done right. There are over 400 champions for you to collect and customize. You can claim glory in the PvP arena, travel to 13 spectacular locations, or even gather a squad of orcs, knights, elves, and more. There's always something to do where you can unlock new skills, abilities, and attacks. Check out this cool roadmap they just published. They have huge plans for updates in the game for over 6 months. Raid is available now on iOS and Android, and the best part is it's totally free.
If you want to get in on all the fun, check out the link in this video's description and you could get 50,000 silver and a free epic champion as part of the new player program to start your journey.
Aside from YouTube ad revenue and sponsors, we also earn money through fans of the show buying merch, like our cool t-shirts and sweatshirts. Next, Patreon. Patreon is a platform that allows people to donate money on a monthly basis in exchange for certain perks like viewing videos early and watching private Q&As. Last, we monetize our Facebook videos. On Facebook, we can re-edit and repackage older videos or cut up YouTube videos to a more appropriate Facebook length.
At the moment, these are our 5 main sources of revenue generation.
So you might be asking yourself, if you're making all this cash, you're pulling in money from YouTube, Facebook, Patreon, t-shirts, and sponsors. I mean, you must have a gold-plated toilet by now.
Well, no. My toilet's still pretty normal, except I can do this.
Making this show is not cheap.
Within a year, we easily spend hundreds of thousands of dollars to make it happen.
Let me break it down for you and introduce our team along the way. First, we have the obvious expenses. Full-time salaries for the team, office rent, utilities, buying new gear and replacing broken gear, buying hard drives, computers, software, and licensing music.
But each individual production accrues its own unique set of costs.
It all starts with pre-production, looking at a map and deciding where to go next.
We could go to the UAE. I want to do camel.
I just think the max we could get videos in UAE is like 3 or 4.
Yeah, okay. At some point, I do want to go to South Korea. What if we did a 4-video series, all nighttime, no sun, drinking places, food places, and we could do it for Hong Kong. Hong Kong has a whole different nighttime thing.
I feel like everywhere does.
Once we have a country in mind, Liz, our channel manager, begins setting up logistics and directing research. She and me, our producer, scour the internet.
How do you know when you found a good topic? Would I be interested in salad?
No.
Carrots?
No.
Organic vegetables,
No.
lamb head.
Yes.
Looking for unique foods, interesting stories, people, local guides, production companies, food experts, anyone who can help us shoot in the country.
How long does it take to get to Cuba?
We'll be traveling for 45 hours.
And zoom in, yeah, like The Office, because we're gonna be like The Office. Guys, do you want a show like this that's like The Office?
Lots of driving too. Like this day we're driving 6.5 hours, 7.5, 6.5.
It's gonna be bad.
No one's ever done this before.
No one's ever done it. No, it's gonna be great. Before we even land in the country, we've put together an intricate shooting schedule.
We've also purchased plane tickets, hotels, travel insurance, SIM cards, and paid out per diem for everyone joining the trip, typically 4 to 5 people. Me, 2 shooters, a producer, and sometimes an additional production support.
Next, the actual production.
We pay for local transportation, food, local guides, whatever it takes to film the best videos possible.
Ready? 1, 2, 3. Hi guys, welcome back. Hour 4 of mud fishing.
The cameramen Kai and Dok shoot, taking time to capture footage of the environment, city, restaurants, food, everything that can help tell the story of that location.
The producer keeps everyone on schedule, makes sure everyone's safe. Okay, here we go. And and takes intricate notes about food, ingredients, restaurant history, and anything else that's culturally relevant, information that our editors can use later.
Now that the editors have the footage, they divide up the episodes. Right now, Thomas is working on isopods in Japan.
Thomas,
Yeah,
what exactly do you do here?
I'm an editor.
Damn right.
Yeah,
So what part of the editing process is your favorite?
the jokes.
Oh, coming up with jokes?
Yeah.
Can I tell you my favorite part? This, where'd you find this sound effect?
Oh, it's a ketchup bottle.
Are you serious?
Yeah.
This sound. I love that sound.
Hui is working on our Kobe beef episode.
A huge part of the editing is actually not even me. These guys make me look good. They create jokes with the music and everything. That almost burnt my face off.
And Leon is working on our Fukushima episode.
What is the hardest part for an editor?
The hardest part, I think, will be like how to make the show entertaining and also like educational.
Each editor works with me to develop a script for the voiceover. After a thorough review process, the edit is locked and ready for mastering. From here, mastering editor Hui adjusts the color and audio levels, putting that final polish on the video before it's ready to upload.
What's your favorite part of mastering?
It's coloring.
That is the original. After you put your own personal touch on it, that looks good, bro.
Yes, I agree.
Before posting, Gabby, our marketing specialist, writes and sends out a press release to any relevant media outlets, letting them hear the big news.
Gabby, what's it like being the only vegetarian on our team?
Seeing videos of you drinking raw pig's blood, raw liver, it kind of makes you want to be a vegetarian.
I think this show has done more to create vegetarians than any other show. Finally, the video is uploaded and millions of besties rejoice.
Today, our cross-country Japanese food tour continues.
Shirasu!
Shirasu!
As we move from Fukushima to the Kanagawa Prefecture, in search of Japan's strangest food island. The more people watch, the more revenue we can earn. Then we can afford to shoot in more costly, harder to reach countries.
We've got a surprise for you that you won't find in any of our competitors' channels, I'll tell you that. At any given time, we are in all 3 stages of production.
Right now we're doing pre-production for Cuba, we just finished a production in Hong Kong, and we're working on post-production for Japan.
Right, Chizzy?
Yeah, totally.
Best ever food review show started with just me filming myself.
Today I went to the best restaurant alive, Melting Monkey.
Then I got a camera guy, then a producer, then an editor, and now we have a full team of over 10 people. The point is, the team and the quality of our content, all of it grew gradually.
Look how many fucking fish are in there. If what we do seems like something you want to aim for, don't look at where I am now, look at where I started. It's emotionally good.
I didn't earn revenue from YouTube for the first year and a half, and it took well over 2 years to start breaking even. Before that, I spent thousands of my own savings and countless hours in an attempt to make this crazy dream a reality. I moved to Vietnam, where I'd be surrounded by food in countries that were most interesting to me. I committed my whole life to making this work, and then, somehow, it did.
No one told me I need to spend this amount of money or that I need to work with this many people. But when I first started making money on YouTube, I made the goal that I will create the most viewed travel food entertainment online or otherwise.
This requires quality, taking the money I've earned and investing it back into equipment, new team members, harder to reach countries, and so on. Quality takes time and money, and it's something I'm just not willing to compromise on.
From this point, we still have a long way to go and so much more we want to achieve.
There are many more countries to be discovered and even more people to be reached. But in the meantime, I'm happy to see we're creating real, meaningful impact and redefining what it means to be successful as a YouTuber.
Guys, if you enjoyed this deep dive into the Best Ever Food Review Show team, let us know in the comments down below. Go ahead and throw a sub, throw a like. That is the end of the video. I will see you next time. Peace. What is the best gift you ever got from me after a trip?
Do I have to show you?
Yeah, well, it's for the camera.
See it? Oops.
Guys, yeah, go in, come on.
Oh my god, it smells so bad. Do you want to try smelling that?
Oh no, close it.
To get antibiotic.
Yeah, I don't know what I was expecting. It's not like flowers.
And be sure to check out our second channel, More Best Ever Food Review Show, for raw clips and deleted scenes that didn't make it into the show.